So here are the some general characteristics of the plants. Plants are multicellular eukaryote. Photosynthetic means they can perform photosynthesis. Autotrophs means they can make their own food, and they have the cuticle layer, which is the waxy layer, and prevent loss of water means transpiration. Okay, so there is the sapropollenin. So let's see what is sapropollenin. So sapropollenin form tough layer. It form tough layer tough layer over the cell wall. Okay, tough layer over the cell wall, and it is present in cell wall. It is present in cell wall and made it is present in cell wall and made up of it is made up of, or we can say that it is composed of the carotenoid. It is composed of carotenoid. So here is a another secondary product, which is lignin. Okay, so it deposit on the secondary cell wall. Lignin deposit on secondary cell wall. Lignin is the actually dead material. Okay, so their cell wall is made up of the cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Now here is the one point, that they are the heteromorphic alternation of the generation. So how the heteromorphic they are the heteromorphic alternation of generation. Heteromorphic alternation of generation. Let's see how the heteromorphic alternation of generation. For example, there is the sporophyte body, which is 2n, means it is diploid. Okay, so it is making spores by sporangia. Okay, by sporangium, we can say it by sporangium. Okay, uh sporangium by the help of the meiosis. Now this spores will be convert into the gametophyte. Spore is n number. Now it will be converted into the gametophyte. Gametophyte, we can say that, which is n number, and it will form gametes by gametangia. By gametangia. Okay, so it will produce gametes by gametangia. So here the gametes n number, they will make zygote 2n. Zygote. Okay, zygote will make embryo, and embryo to the sporophyte. Embryo will make the sporophyte body. Okay, so here the heteromorphic alternation of generation means here the asexual to sexual. Okay, here asexual to sexual. That's why we are seeing that heteromorphic alternation of generation. Now the another point we can say that is sporophyte and gametophyte morphologically different, and their zygote is retained into the embryo. Now another point we can see here, that they have the smaller plants. In smaller plants their smaller plants are non-vascular plants. Non-vascular plants, what is mean by non-vascular plants? Mean they don't have the xylem and phloem, means the absence of the conducting tissues, we can say that. So non-vascular plants rely on the simple diffusion for transport of water and nutrient. They do simple diffusion for transport of water and nutrient. Transport of water and nutrient. So here earliest vascular plants were live into the swampy area. Okay, swampy area, they live in swampy area. The another point is that for the exchange of gases they have the stomata. Stomata are basically openings from where the gaseous exchange takes place. So here the stomata are present in the lower epidermis, and present in the moderate plants. Okay, moderate plants. I have written moderate plants. Now lenticels are also present. Lenticels are also for the gaseous exchange. These are the basically woody stem, okay, from where the gaseous exchange takes place. So here it's all about the general characteristics, and the next I will explain in the next video.